How to put a link on your TikTok bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, there is a way to add a link on a TikTok bio. Definitely two ways. I will simply show you both of those ways. First things, I will simply go ahead and open the TikTok app on my phone. Once you open the TikTok app, you'll be able to see a list of recommended videos and so on. Now what you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner in order to go to your profile page. Once you go to your profile page, in order to add a link to our TikTok bio, we would simply need to tap on edit profile. Now there are basically two types of link on your TikTok profile. The one is the clickable link and one is the unclickable link. In order to add an unclickable link, you can see this section which is bio right over here. What you could do is simply tap on bio and then paste the link which you want to use for your TikTok bio. As you can see right over here, and I will simply save this link, and you can see the link has been added. And if I come back, you can also see the link has successfully been added on my bio. But only the downside of this link is that it is actually not clickable at all. The users or the audience would simply need to copy my bio in order to go ahead and then visit this link. The other way is how you can add a clickable link. Now in order to add a clickable link, you need to have over at least 1,000 followers. If you don't have over 1,000 followers, you will not be able to add a clickable link. And once you have over 1,000 followers, you could tap on edit profile button, and instead of the bio option which you typically see over here, you will enable a new option which says website. So once you have over 1,000, once you've crossed 1K followers, you'd see a new option somewhere in between which basically says website. All you have to do is simply tap on the website button, go ahead and paste your link, and when you come back, the link is going to get highlighted in blue or some other color, and that way you will simply be able to add a link to your bio. We hope this answered your question, and you might be wondering why you were not being able to put a clickable link. That's simply because you don't have over 1,000 followers yet. Don't worry, even if you have personal account and then you try to switch to professional account like other YouTubers say, or other videos says you that it is not possible, because until and unless you don't have over 1,000 follow threshold, you will not be able to add a website link. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.